going to solve equations using reciprocals. Now, I'll remind you that a reciprocal is when you take a fraction and you flip it upside down. So I have the fraction negative 8/5 b equals 5. And I know that when the opposite of multiplying is divide, but also remember that when you're dividing fractions, you have to keep flip change. Okay, I see it? And that means you've got to flip the fraction. So let's multiply both sides by this reciprocal. Let's multiply by 5 over negative 8 on both sides. 5 over negative 8. Now you can put a 1 under this 5 so that it looks like a fraction and it might look a little easier to you. And I'm going to put parentheses around this so that it shows me that I am multiplying those. These negative 8's become 1's and these 5's become 1's, and that b is isolated, which is precisely what I wanted to happen. And then over here, it's a multiplying problem, and I can't simplify inside the problem, so I'll multiply 5 times 5 and get 25, and then I multiply 1 times negative 8 and get negative 8. And so there is no number that goes into 25 and 8, so I'm probably just going to leave it improper like that. And then on this one right here, the x is on the right side of the problem, but that's okay. I still need to get rid of it by using the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. So I'm going to multiply by 3 over 2 on this side, and then whatever I do to the right side, I've got to do to the left side. So 3 over 2 again. Let's go ahead and either put a dot or parentheses, indicating that these are being multiplied. The 3's cancel, the 2's cancel, and x is isolated. Now for this one, I could multiply 3 times 14 and go over to the side and do it, but it's easier just to go ahead and simplify inside the problem. I'm going to divide both of these by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. Now the problem's easier to work. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21, and 1 times 1 is 1, and I really don't need a 1 in the denominator.